How to log in to African bank account online. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to African bank account online. African Bank Account is a multilateral financial institution which is established to promote economic development and social progress across Africa. Here's how you can log into your African bank account online. For that, first of all, you'll need to open any web browser of your choice on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Once in the browser, in the search bar, you will need to type in africanbank.co.za/en. Once you have entered this keyword, press on the enter button to search for it. Now, within a while, you will be taken to the official website of African Bank. Once you reach to the official website of African Bank, here you may need to accept all the cookies if you are using this website for the first time. Once after doing that, in the space at the top right, you will be able to locate the login button. Simply click on this login button and then a pop-up will appear. Now here you will need to choose whether you are logging into your personal or business account. Simply select one of these options and then select Access Online Banking option or the link. Once you select it, you will be redirected to a new page. In this page, you will be able to see login interface at the right side. Here you will need to enter your login credentials. In the first text box, here enter your username. Once after entering your username, now enter the PIN. Once after entering the PIN, you will need to now enter your password. Click on the box and then enter your password. After entering the password, now you can click on this login button in order to proceed further. If in case you don't remember your login credentials, you may also click on this reset button at the bottom, and then from there you will need to follow the instructions in order to recover or reset your login details. After that, you will need to enter your new details in this field and then log into your account. Also, if you haven't created an account yet, you may also click on this register button and then there you will need to fill in the details in order to create an account. Now, once you're logged into your account, you can now manage your financials, make payments and perform other banking activities. So by following these steps, you should be able to log into your African bank account online. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.